Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how to create a listing on mykentuckywedding.com. Alright, so we're going to come to the home page, so type in mykentuckywedding.com and go to the upper right corner and click sign in. If you already have a username and password, go ahead and enter that. If not, come down here to not a member, sign up. Now your username, I encourage it to be your business name, but it doesn't have to be. So I'm creating this fake bed and breakfast. I'm going to use my personal email address so you can see my emails pop up and know what to expect on your end. And then enter a password and then click register. Okay, so now you're officially a member on the site. You hear that ding, and your username and password is what you should get in your email. Okay. All right, there's your username, and now you can go to add listing. It'll kind of bring you to the select a plan page. There's only one plan, so come down here and choose plan. All right, now we fill in all our information here. So this is just a fake bed and breakfast. You can add a tagline. Now your city and state, that is the area you serve. If you serve Lexington, Louisville, Danville, Frankfort, Somerset, even smaller towns, go ahead and put that on there. That's the email that I will get on my end. All right. So city and state, let's say this bed and breakfast is in Danville, Kentucky. Click that. Your full address, especially if you are a physical business, please put your full address on here so that people can find you on the Google map on the website. Okay, so I'm not sure who is at this address in Danville, but I'm just going to put it in so you guys can see what the map looks like on the website. Phone number and website. I have no idea if this is a real website or not. Business hours. Now something funny is happening here that I have to fix, so I apologize here. Put in your business hours, and for some reason it brings you down to the bottom of the page. You can go back up, edit your business hours, go back up, and one more time, and go back up. Okay, sorry, that is a little annoying. I will get it fixed. I just have to talk to the developers. Now, Monday 8 to 6, that looks good, so we're going to click the plus sign, and then it automatically changes it to Tuesday for the next one, so at least it makes it a little easier there. All right, your hours are good there, and you don't have to add hours if you don't want to. Category, you can choose multiple categories, so this is a venue, and since it said intimate weddings and elopements, let's say officiants. Okay, all right, and I encourage, if you're a videographer and a photographer, you can put both. If you're a DJ and a photo booth, you can put both. Like, that's why I did this, so that it'll be all encompassing for your business. All right, and then business highlights, everything that is relevant to your business, language which we speak. Okay, and these two things will be under every category, and then it comes to the more specialized information for each category. So this will be different for photographers, videographers, etc. So venue type, indoor, outdoor, it's a bed and breakfast, let's say it has a garden for ceremonies, it's historic, and let's say it's a manor. Okay, and venue capacity, say 100 people. You don't have to put a price range if you don't want to, but I encourage it. Alright, some details about your business. So let's say sounds good to me. Okay. And frequently asked questions. Anything that you're constantly asked. That way you answer the question before they have to ask it. Okay. Now, underneath that, you can also add like another one if you want, but you don't have to. All right, then your social media. So any social media that you want to include on here, and it needs to be the URL, not just your, your URL, not your username. All right, full URL. And then if you have a business video, great for videographers. And then your images. You are limited to 10 images. I'm just going to put up like 3. I'm trying to choose the smaller ones because they do need to be smaller than 8 megabytes. Your feature image is the first image couples see in the search results. Okay, so make it relevant to your business. And your business logo, I don't have one on here, so I'm choosing this little Kentucky JPEG or PNG. Alright, we're going to click Save and Preview. One of two things is going to happen. It's either going to automatically take you to your preview of your listing, or it's going to come up with an error message. Do not be discouraged by the error message. I am still getting it on my end. And because this is taking a while, I'm going to guess it's going to bring up the error message this time. And there's the error message. So again, don't let it discourage you. I am still getting it on my end. I've had a few vendors create multiple ones. So I just got an email, your listing has been submitted. All right, so go click close. Now what's going to happen on my end is I will actually go in here and just created it, click refresh, and there it is. So I go in here and usually I'll preview it, go over it, make sure it's not a random bot trying to make a listing or anything, and then I'll approve it. Since I just created it, I'll just go ahead and publish. Alright, so you should get an email that says your listing has been approved. Now, you can go to the home page. Go to venues. And we said it was in Danville. And search. And there's the listing. Alright, and the reason why we said the city and state, that's what you enter in the actual search bar. And why we put in the full address, especially if you're a physical business, is because we have this cool map over here that will actually show where you're located. So I encourage you to do that, especially as a physical business. Now, this is cool, right? And we can, I'm going to open it in a new tab. Boom, there's your listing. Alright, the photos you added, all your information, etc. Okay? Now, something I also encourage you to do is because this is your profile picture. I encourage you to upload a profile picture because it's more personable, and not just be your logo. I do encourage a headshot, just so people know who they're talking to, So how to do that, you go up here and hover over your name here. You're going to go to update profile. Okay, so this is the profile on the actual site, not your listing. So you're going to upload a photo. I already uploaded one of my face. There I am, so I'm just going to choose that one. Alright, and then you can fill out this information you want, but you do need to fill out this country slot because that is required before you update your profile. Come down here. It is in gray down here. Update profile. Okay, and as you can see, now it is showing up as your profile picture there. And let's go back, click venues, and see, profile picture makes it more personable. People know they're talking to a real person when they call. All right, now if you need to edit your listing for any reason, that's what I get on my end. All right, if you need to edit your listing on any reason, for any reason, you will go to your dashboard. Okay, and you come over here to listings and come over here under status. There's these three dots and you'll click edit. And from here you can edit anything you want. Say you want to be closed on Mondays. Let's say you're just a venue, and let's say you just changed your prices to start at $2,500 and you just built on a large event barn, so now you can fit 250 people. Alright, all that looks good, so we're going to update and preview that. Okay, and this is going to automatically take us to our page, our listing page. There we are. So it should have taken off Monday. It did. Now it's 250 people. Alright, that all looks good. Here's the map on your listing page. All your information. This is where your social media icons will be. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I do encourage everyone who is in the wedding industry to go and make a listing, because I really want to bring the Kentucky wedding industry together, and I want to provide as much information as possible for couples to find local solutions for their weddings. And I'm just really encouraging y'all. I want this to be a really cool place for people to come and hang out online. Alright? Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on here. Bye.